So we're getting further along in our hike now. That's Lake Louise. We're more than 2 hours into our hike. Can't even see the hotel from this distance, from this angle. This trek we're on is called 6 Glaciers, and there's more than 6 peaks that have snow on them, so I'm guessing somebody decided 6 of them were worth making note of. It's my hiking crew there, having an awesome time. Once again, it's Canada Day, July 1st, I'm sorry. Freudian slip. July 4th being the American holiday, where we'll be in Jasper for that holiday. But for today, fantastic weather, blue skies, great trails, and unbelievable views.